Hey guys, it's born Malachi, and today I am putting up these bells. And here's brother.
We got behind the scenes. Behind the scenes.
He's recording too. Okay, I'm gonna go back and now. Okay, so I'm gonna be on this footstool. So I can hang it up like right over the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles thingy. So yeah. Well, that's not Dad, so yeah. Okay. No!
Turn the cable on to see if it works.
No! It's not done.
Okay.
Oh my! No! Shut up! I don't want static on the video. Okay, so I'm gonna put you guys right here. I don't know if you can see me good. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put y'all. So that applies where I can see. Okay, you can see me in the mirror doing this. This is just not. Okay, that's where I'm going to be. So yeah. I need my hammer and this. All right. Going up now. All right. I don't want to fall on my face. Yes.
Take your brother to the bathroom and bring him back.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to go right now. So, yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I have to go take the babies. Okay. Let's put that back up there and a little to the side. Is that good? Oh my God. Okay, I need to find like a stool or something. Is that good for y'all? Oh, that's good. Gotta make sure this stays. Okay. All right. Okay, time to put this on. Where is the pin? Oh, right here. Perfect. All right. So I'll put it a little bit higher because I don't want it blocking the thing, like crowding it. So I'm just gonna put it like all the way up here. Oh, Jesus. Ow. Okay. I'm about to trip. Ah, okay. I'm going to try to put this on without hurting my face on the frame. And I don't get hurt. Oh my. Double no. Triple no. No. Oh my God, that's a lot of fall. I got it. Okay. It didn't fall, guys. It's about to, but I called it. I called it. I called it. I called it. I cannot put it in. Get in. He's being mean to me. Okay. Pudding. Hopefully it's not too much. It's too much weight. Oh my. Gotta put it in more. So less weight. Oh, my arm. All right. Hammer time. Perfect. Okay. One down. 1, 2, 3 to go. All right. I don't know where I'm gonna put the second one. Yeah, maybe up here. Ooh. Do y'all think this is a good place? Well, that looks like metal. Cause if you can like see here, looks like that looks like metal. Yeah, that looks like metal. But I'm gonna try. This is probably the stupidest idea in the world, but I'm still gonna try. All right, so I got it. So I'm gonna put gold now because I just did red. And then the other two are red, so it's just gonna be watered. And I'm gonna go get some more after. Oh my god, there's gold. Oh my goodness, there's gold glitter on my fingers. Where did I leave the hammer? I hate it. Now where did it go? Because I don't want to step on it. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. Hi. Oh. Okay, here's the hammer. Oh, I'm about to slip on my clothes. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I can't put it up there because. Jesus be Evans all around me every day. I don't remember the words to this song no more. Nah. Okay, where should I put this one? Oh, I think I should put it. Yeah. Hopefully. Okay, guys. The next one, I'm surprisingly gonna try out for up here. Or I'm just gonna put the two up there because I'm not dealing with this. So yeah. Yeah, this is a good place, but what can hold it? Yeah. Wait, this is like high enough. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna reach it. I could barely even. Oh, good. I'm gonna pull these from each other. Get one of the pins. It's me. Please open the door. I can't really come in because I'm on top of the stool, but yeah. Well, I just want your door open. I want to talk. I don't want to be bored. I can't. Okay. I'll open that myself. Because I'm going to be like right here.
Really?
I'm going to put it up there.
Oh.
Look. I'm like,
Don't bring joy, like, a few, like, half an
oh
inch.
my god. Hopefully I do not fall. Trying to be on my strength of my arms. Because they're up, I can't really use my strings? Okay, I need my hammer. And I just put that on my head. Actually, that's a good idea. Ain't working.
I gotta say right now, these look so amazing.
Alright, guys, I'm back. Okay, wait, where was I about to go? Well, I found this, so I guess I'm gonna put this up. Yeah, I'm gonna put this up. Because I love these. Michael, we didn't eat lunch yet. We didn't eat lunch yet.
I ain't worried about no lunch yet. I'm trying to find like some covers so I can because I don't want that cover right there right now because
But where am I going to put this? Oh, I see. There's a good Wait, can y'all even see me? They cannot see me. Can y'all? Oh, y'all can kind of see me. So I'm gonna move it like there. There. Okay. Okay. Now y'all can see me. I'm gonna put this up like right here. Ooh. Yeah.
do you have any covers in there?
No.
What about downstairs?
Pardon me?
What about downstairs?
I don't know.
Terrible idea. Look at that. It's nice.
There we go. Macaroni reef. Got it. Alright.
This cover looks
I don't know where I'm going to put the other ones. Okay, so I got like one more, and it's gold.
not this, like real bedding.
Oh, maybe. Yeah, no. Oh, yeah, I got nowhere. Maybe I'll just put it on this side. Oh my gosh, I have another. Oh, yeah, so I was going to put that up there. So I know where to put that one. So I'm going to put the next one, like, I'm going to try to reach, like, all. Oh, Jesus. Help! Micah, help!
But anyway,
Never mind. Ah. Okay, now I need help. Okay, never mind. Ah!
well, let me just test it out.
There we go.
You guys
All right.
test it out.
So I'm gonna be like all the way up here, guys. Y'all can't see me right now, but I'm gonna be like climbing this ladder so I can get it. I got my push pin, walking up the ladder. Y'all see me? Yeah, I think. Hopefully. I'm gonna put this here first, and then. Hopefully this part isn't metal. Is it metal?
This is wonderful. I don't know what I was complaining about. I should be grateful.
Yay! I love my room!
Entirely grateful.
Except for that blank part up there, because that would have been a good test. Okay, so now I did that part. Gonna. Ooh, it's blurry. Can y'all see? Alright, there. I already did that. Now, I'm gonna put the last one right here. Right, guys, on my last one.
And I'm so grateful. And I'm grateful for you
Okay. So, my pants. Alright.
Understand, you can't really click the links, but you can still like that video. Like this video right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep.
Yay!
If you subscribe, and put in the comments that you did.
And if you haven't, subscribe now.
Yep, you have to subscribe right now. And put in the comments that you did, because if you don't, you won't get a shout out.
Yes.
And we know how y'all want a shout out. I be having people at school asking me for a shout out. I'm like, no, you gotta subscribe first, and you gotta click the notification bell. Alright? So, see you guys later, and thank you guys for a wonderful year. We're gonna keep making more
of
funny
Christmas videos.
and wonderful videos for you.
And Christmas is like how long away? Like
a few days away.
Yay!
But anyway, yeah.
So
This is gonna take forever to do though. But anyway, see you guys
later.
Bye.